Take it like you handling your problems on a daily. Yeah, my shorty say me, got engravings after dating. Like her name was tatted on my soul. She my normal girl on love girl who never lost control. Plus a supermodel, yeah, yes, but dialogue fire like a candle. Yeah, yeah, feel like Andretti on your handle. Shorty steady, stable in her dimensions. These other chicks just.
Alright guys, so as you guys saw at the beginning of the clip, I have so much clothes that I need to clean out of my closet and donate or give away. And yeah, this is not even half of it, guys. Like I have another closet near the window over here, and then the attic with all my clothes, guys. But I have wanted to like give away some clothes because as you guys know, like most of the clothes doesn't even fit me anymore because I have gained some weight, and I'm actually trying to lose some weight now. Even though if I do lose weight, I'm probably not even gonna wear them anymore, and I'll probably just buy new stuff, to be honest. But we are going to take one step at a time. I'm gonna do these drawers right here and then clean up. And yeah, I don't know how long it's gonna take me, but we'll see. Alright guys, so I finally fold all the clothes, as you guys can see over here too. And I'm about to like clean the drawers because you guys could see I took out the drawers, and then I have to look on top to see what I need to throw away as well, like makeup wise and all, and then just organize my clothes, and then I'm done with that part. And then I'm probably gonna clean this one out next, and maybe the closet. I don't know yet. I'm gonna think about it. Actually, I do have to do laundry too, so I might organize all this, do laundry, fold them, and then organize it into the section of my closet as well. I should have got like some drawers organizer, like to split them, if you guys know what I'm talking about. Alright guys, so I just organized my drawers and I just went up to the attic to get more stuff. The bags are over there, as you guys can see, and I hurt myself from going up the attic. Let me just show you guys. Look at that. At least it's not bleeding. But I'm about to take all the stuff out in the bag. Okay guys, so I already finished cleaning my drawers, and I was looking at all the dresses and stuff that I have, and I looked into my closet. I was like, oh my goodness, I need to take all the winter sweaters and jackets upstairs in my attic. And then I realized I should get some like space hanger. For those who don't know what it is, I'm gonna show you guys what it is. Hold on. This is what space hangers looks like. So you see how you could hang it like horizontal or vertical. So okay, this should be a better picture right here. So this is how it looks. So you could put it horizontal like that, and you hang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or you could take off one and hang it vertical like that. So it will give you like more space in the closet, since I don't have a big closet. So I think I'm gonna get this and just hang it vertical because I have a lot of dresses. Alright guys, so I just finished working out, and then I continue organizing my clothes and throwing out stuff. So let me just show you guys. So here are my drawers, shirts up here, and then pants down here. I just gotta fix the drawers though. So this is pajama, and then this is like jeans and pants. I need to take this out and fix it though, because as you guys can see, it's not aligned right. And in these bags, I put clothes that are like winters that I don't need anymore for this season because it's about to be summer. So like sweaters and sweatshirts in there. And then this side over here is clothes to be donate. And I have like 1, 2, 3, 4. About to make another bag, which is 5. And yeah. But that's part 1 of organizing my dresser with me, guys. There will be a part 2 where I will be organizing my closet, which I know is gonna take forever. And I did order some hangers as well, and I have some boxes here that I haven't thrown out from like the Sephora box, the haul that I did for the sale, and then Fenty Beauty box I didn't throw out yet. I still have stuff in there. I need to organize my makeup closet, and then I need to organize the drawer right here, guys. That one right there, right there. So yeah, I'm thinking about throwing that out because it's kind of broken because it won't open fully out. So I'm gonna clean everything out from there, throw it out, and probably get a new dresser stand or whatever you call those things. But I probably get like 4 storage. That's what I'm gonna do. And then maybe that might be for my makeup items because the 2 drawers, like the little one on top, it doesn't fit that much. But oh my goodness, it took like the whole day. But I did pause at like 4 to do my workout because you guys know I work out every day, and then I continue to put stuff away, and then I'm finally done, and it is 5:25, guys, finally. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave any comments down below and subscribe. Hey! Whoa. See you guys in my next video.
Cause you hold a crown, you hold a crown, hold a crown, yeah. You know that you my aura in existence cause you hold